Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is rib. 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 A rib is a bone in this part of the body. So humans have ribs, animals also have ribs. They protect our internal organs, so the parts of the body that are inside us that help with food, digestion, and other important processes. There are actually quite a few ribs that go in this direction up the body right here. Here's an example. Our ribs are bones that protect the organs of the upper body. Our ribs are bones that protect the organs of the upper body. Our ribs are bones that protect the organs of the upper body. Abdomen. 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 The abdomen is this part of the torso, this part of the body. So it's usually from about the center of your torso, where your belly button is, to about your hips. So down here is where there are lots of things that help us to digest food. Here's an example. The abdomen is the part of the body between the ribs and the hips. The abdomen is the part of the body between the ribs and the hips. The abdomen is the part of the body between the ribs and the hips. Spine. 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 Your spine refers to the big bone that goes all the way up your back, or rather the many, many small bones that look like one bone that goes all the way up your back. We might also call this our backbone. Here's an example expression. Bones of the spine. Bones of the spine. Bones of the spine. Kidney. 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 Your kidneys are located, I can't show you here on camera, but there are two kidneys that are located on your lower back, lower to mid back, and they help us with filtering out bad things in our bodies and to make us healthy. Here's an example. Most people are born with two kidneys in their body. Most people are born with two kidneys in their body. Most people are born with two kidneys in their body. Shoulder blade. Shoulder blade. Shoulder blade. Your shoulder blade is on the upper back, so it's at the top of your shoulder to about the top of your back as well. So this is the part of the body that protects your shoulder. So you have one on this side and one on this side. Here's an example. The shoulder blade is the bump on each side of your back. The shoulder blade is the bump on each side of your back. The shoulder blade is the bump on each side of your back. Scissors. 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 Scissors are a very common tool. We use them to cut things like paper and other craft supplies. You can find small scissors that are made for kids, not so sharp, and of course very sharp ones used in like woodworking situations and other heavy-duty tasks. Here's an example. Use scissors to cut out the pictures. Use scissors to cut out the pictures. Use scissors to cut out the pictures. Disposable gloves. Disposable gloves. Disposable gloves. Disposable gloves are gloves you can throw away. So after cleaning something or doing something very dirty, you can take off these gloves and throw them away. So if we break down disposable, dispose means to throw away. Able means can do. So these are disposable gloves. Here's an example. I can't find my box of disposable gloves. I can't find my box of disposable gloves. I can't find my box of disposable gloves. Tweezers. 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 Tweezers are a small metal tool we use to pinch very small things. We usually use this for cosmetic purposes, like to remove very small hairs from our forehead with tweezers, or we might use them to take out small pieces of wood or other things that get into our skin. Here's an example. These tweezers aren't too good. These tweezers aren't too good. These tweezers aren't too good. Band-Aid. 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 A Band-Aid is a very popular brand of bandage. A Band-Aid is a piece of cloth that we put on top of an injury, a small injury like a scratch or a scrape, and it's sticky on both sides of the bandage so it can stay on your skin and help you to heal. Here's an example. I need a Band-Aid for my foot. I need a Band-Aid for my foot. I need a Band-Aid for my foot. Adhesive tape. Adhesive tape. Adhesive tape. So adhesive tape means it's a sticky tape, a very kind of sticky substance that we can use to attach something to something else. So when we are doing like arts and crafts projects, we might use tape to attach something to a piece of paper. Here's an example. We need to buy adhesive tape. We need to buy adhesive tape. We need to buy adhesive tape. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the word that means the bones that protect our internal organs? We have many of them right here. Rib. Rib. And how to say the part of the body between our ribs and our hip, right around here. Abdomen. Abdomen. What about the part of the body that goes up the middle of the back? We might also call it our backbone. Spine. Spine. Do you remember how to say the word for the two organs that we have that are located in the middle to lower back? Kidney. Kidney. Let's try the expression for the two bumps you have on your upper back that protect your shoulders. Shoulder blade. Shoulder blade. What about the word for the tool we use to cut things like paper or other arts and crafts materials? Scissors. Scissors. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the type of hand coverings that we can throw away after we use them. Disposable gloves. Disposable gloves. Another one. What about the small metal tool that we use to pinch very small things and remove them? Tweezers. Tweezers. Do you remember how to say the word that we use to talk about the sticky bandage that we can attach to our skin to help it heal? Band-Aid. Band-Aid. And finally, do you remember how to say the expression for the slightly sticky and clear material we can use to attach two things together, like when we're doing arts and crafts projects using paper? Adhesive tape. Adhesive tape. Well done. See you next time. Bye.